I don't know if anybody else will resonate with this, but I feel like the closer I've gotten to slow living, the easier it is for me to come up with homemade gifts for people. Just because every hobby I take up, every skill I learn, every craft I learn how to do, like I want to share it. And I feel like I have vivid memories of being younger and seeing that trope in movies and TV shows of like homemade gifts and people not knowing what to do. Like there's an episode in Malcolm in the Middle where they do all like gifts from the heart for Christmas and nobody knows what to do. In Friends, that's another episode. Anyways, I feel like it's because people just don't practice a lot of these skills that you do with your hands unless you're an artsy person. But anyways, I wrote down some of the gift ideas that I have, ideas that I want to give people. So I hope some of my family members don't watch this. And I just thought it would be fun to talk about some gift ideas. The first one is sourdough or any like baked goods. Before all my friends moved away, I loved giving them bread. And if somebody was wanting to get into learn how to make sourdough, you could give them starter. I hate being all the way across the country from my family members because people need help building a starter, and I just wish I could give them some. The second one is if you have a garden, to give some of your harvest, and not just the harvest like vegetables and flowers and stuff, but I wrote sunflower seeds because my dad loves sunflower seeds. Like, that's the only snack he could eat for the rest of his life. And so I just thought it would be cool one day if I could grow sunflowers that have those seeds and give him just like bags full. I think he would like that. The next one is homemade jams and jellies. I never did this before and I just did it a few weeks ago and I sent some back home and I just thought like it's just so fun sharing the love. The next one is homemade dressings and vinaigrettes. A lot of people don't know or don't care to make their own dressings, and I feel like they taste so much better when you make them yourself, so it would be fun to make some, put them in cute little jars, and give them. Next, we have pressed flowers. I just did this for my mom for Mother's Day, and it was really easy doing it in the microwave. Next, we have embroidery. If you know how to embroider, you can embroider jar bonnets. I've seen those on Pinterest. Hold on. Like, I just think they're so cute. I want to make some for myself. I haven't yet, but that's on the to-do list. You could do, like, cute little pictures, maybe do herbs, um, like jam, little strawberries for jams and stuff like that. I just think it would be cute. You could even thrift the material. That would be even cuter.